Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. And first of all, thank you for calling me, all this NIT faculties, and obviously Manas sir. Just about me, I am so before these all are, I know these are look glamorous or something, but I am just an engineering student right now. I just graduated this year from IIIT Bhubaneswar. Before we start about what things were and what happened, I guess the topic is clear, this technology and startup. So I come from a very hardcore tech background. I have been building products, I guess maybe from my class 6th, I've been building products, and right now it's startup. I had zero idea what startup is, how startup runs. So I was more of a techie. Then somewhere around I grew towards a product manager. So product manager is someone who builds product, has an empathy towards customer. So on this today's session, we'll be mostly talking on, it's not about my journey, it's about everyone, anyone who wants to be an entrepreneur, how they started, what made us think that we want to be an entrepreneur. So there are various factors that actually tells you that whether you should do an entrepreneurship or you should not do it. So I'll be telling you my story, and I'll be making it a more of an informal conversation. So anyone with any questions, queries, will be taking that, because I seriously don't have much in my deck. It's I guess 4 to 5 decks, so nothing much to discuss. So we'll be mostly talking. You have any queries or anything you want to ask me, you can tell me. Now coming down to technology and startup, so I define this with a one line. Every time you want to see any change in the world, it has to be got through technology. As Sir was saying, Zomato. So I'll tell you, there was a time when food ordering was a tough task, not because of money, because of the time you were investing to go to a restaurant, buy a food, come down to your home and eat. So what we used to do is go to that place, sit in that place and eat. Zomato changed this. The technology was obviously an application. There are 100 plus of application around the globe, but the pain point of user was getting food at your doorsteps. Earlier, Domino's, Pizza Hut, they used to do this, but this was very specific to a niche, that is pizza. That was not to a generic, as a no. Now you can order dahi bara at your fingertips, you can do all of those things. That was a pain point, and that what the founder must have seen, that this is a change I want to see, and that's what we need to do. Any change you want to see in the world, you only need to do that. Now, impact of technology is simple. As I said, no, you have a question, you have an answer. The technology right now has advanced to a certain level that you will have an answer to everything. So that's what is the impact of technology in current generation. Now, talking about my journey with technology, so I'll tell you, I built my first product, I guess, that was an hydroelectric power plant in class 6. Turbine rotating, generating electricity. I was happy with that, and that was a time when they say that there's a kick or something like that. I got a kick that, okay, I need to build products. I did not had an idea how to build a product, what you need to do, what is a customer journey, what is customer mapping, zero idea about that. All I knew was I need to build something. I started with that in my class 6. Then I guess in class 9th, I cracked the project. So I'll show you that project. These are some very old picture. Why are we not seeing? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I had added a picture. So I'll tell you, in my 9th, I built up a project that was in solar AC, as in an air conditioner that was being run through solar power, not solar panels, as in it was more of a conventional source of energy. Let's not discuss that, but it was something you could afford an AC at around 2000 bucks. In 2000 rupees, you could get an AC. That was a project that gave me the breakthrough. So I was at my 9th, I cracked Google Science Fair, I cracked Google Science Fair at that time. I was a very young child who went to Hyderabad, 9th class student. As I said, no, I had zero idea, and I belonged from Angul that time. So not that into a tier 1 or tier 2 city, from a very tier 3 city, and I was like, okay, this is what glamour is. And I remember we had APJ Abdul Kalam addressing us at that time, and after everything went, there were a lot of projects there. And I saw in class 10th there was a startup, a guy who had founded something. It was a registered company, and I was like, what actually startup is? So he actually said me that, okay, so you have made something, you know that you can build an AC at 2000 rupees, you are not commercializing it, you are not selling it, you are not making money. See, problem solving is always required, but until and unless you can commercialize your problem, you are not a startup, you are an innovator. So there is a fine line of difference between an innovator and a startup. So that was my moment when I realized that, okay, so I was not sure that I need to be an entrepreneur. I knew that I need to create a startup. So at that time, no, for us startup was business. Everyone is like, okay, paisa kamana hai, we need to do something. There was no term like as an entrepreneur. I had zero idea what entrepreneur is. Frankly speaking, I came to know about this word, I guess in my late 11th, in my 11th class, and I knew that, okay, there is something known as entrepreneur. So yeah, Google Science Fair went well, we got into the national level and everything went well. Post that, in my 11th class, I again started working on something of my own. And at that time, I had this mindset that, okay, whatever I build right now, I need to commercialize it. But obviously, we all have gone through that phase, that 11th, JEE, 12th board, all pressure on my head that, okay, I need to. So I shifted from Angul to DAV Pokhriput at that time. So I was at DAV Pokhriput pursuing my 11th and 12th. And everyone was like, okay, you need to study, you need to get into an IIT or you need to get into an NIT. And I was like, bro, I don't need to do this thing. But end of my mind, I knew that I don't have to do a job. I don't have to be a researcher. I don't have to be a scientist. I want to solve problem. I don't know why that came inside me, but I wanted to solve problem. So that was a phase when I was like, it was, as I said, no, in an entrepreneur's life, there are ups and downs. Till that time also, I did not know what are ups, what are downs, what is an entrepreneur. But that was a down phase. So I was not scoring that well in my main, like in my, what you say, those, I forgot those names. They say that prelims exams and all. I was not scoring well. But the same time, I was, I guess I was building an online blood bank. So for an 11th, 12th standard, I started app development. As in, I was looking out code. So I did not used to read books. I have never read books. I was into app development at that time, and I wanted to get into blood delivery as an online blood bank. I remember it was Buddies for Blood. The innovation was Buddies for Blood. We tried a lot with that, and finally when the board exam came, we gave the JEE exam, and again another setback. Another setback was I did not score that well in my JEE exam in my first attempt. So everyone said that you were a good student, you used to score good in your 10th and you scored well in your 12th. Take a drop year. I was like, drop year, but I had realized I don't want to read. I was damn sure that reading is something I'm not going to do. I can do anything. I can sit before laptop, like I sit before laptop more than 20 hours a day, but I can't sit before a book. So I was like, padna nahi hai yaar, we have to do something for that. But obviously parents being parents, I was forced into this JEE mains coaching at Vidwan. I was with Vidwan. Again the same problem. That time two of my other, so we say co-founders, but that time there was, right now we focus on these terms as co-founders, CEOs. That time it was friends, 3 friends working together to build online blood delivery for Odisha. And we had talked to Red Cross that we have built this something like this and let's do this thing. But obviously I went into JEE, and JEE, as all you know, that JEE is the worst nightmare of anyone's life, JEE exam. So both of my friends, both of them joined KIT, I guess. So they got into engineering first year, they had a new life, they were into a different, and I was into my depression segment, that it's like Irodov, then R.D. Sharma, then life is on between these things. And we forgot that Zindagi mein we had to build something, or we wanted to become an entrepreneur or something. We forgot that thing. Then what happened, towards the end of my JEE, that JEE drop year, I'll tell you, yeah, this is entrepreneur. This is a definition. If you go into my LinkedIn profile, if you go into my Instagram profile, you will find this, that a person who jumps off a cliff and builds a plane on the downway. And I have did this every time. All of my startup which I started, I have never thought that I want to do this thing. We just, okay, we need to do this, let's start. we'll do something in way. And right now also sir knows me like for more than 1.5 years now. We have done every time. I've been to lot of pitches without pitch deck, and I'm like, we'll do something on the way, we'll do something. Okay, so what happened after that was, depression phase over, JEE, I've given the JEE exam. I thought of why not to start this, I don't know, like if you're aware of this first copy materials, as in first copy t-shirt, first copy shoes. So there's a big hub in Delhi where they manufacture this thing. We were the one who started this in Odisha. So what we did was, we had a connect in Delhi, and we said that we'll be bringing the product, we'll be selling in Odisha. I remember the name was Apna Store. Apna Store was the name. We started with Instagram profile, and at that time we had this thing that now we forgot that problem solving ho gaya kahin pe. अब पैसा बनाते हैं. Going into engineering, everyone wanted to make money. Let's get into it. So we started Apna Store. That was my, you can say, unofficial first startup. Which was not registered, nothing, it was working on Instagram. Now there are more than 1,000 companies like SourcePeak and Shoe Store. There are a lot of companies like that who does this thing. Then we started that, and early stage it grew a lot. As in, you understand, no, I will be telling you, I will be giving you a Nike shoes at 400 rupees, I will be giving you a Nike shoes at 500 rupees. Everyone was like, give me. So we ran it for like more than 6-7 months. Then someday I got this hit that, okay, I was a techie, as I said, I love technology. I built product, what I am doing right now. Instagram पे जूता लग के जूता का फोटो डालता हूँ, जूता बेचता हूँ. I don't want to do this. And I'm telling you, that was a grow point. As in, we were making good money. I'll tell you, for a engineering not joined student, pre-engineering student, he was making around 15 to 16K a month. More than enough for a Bhubaneswar guy. We were like having a great life. But obviously, we never wanted to do this thing. So what we did was, what to do next. As I said, I never wanted to read. I got in, finally I somehow managed to get into IIIT Bhubaneswar, and at IIIT it started. Again, I was the first year now. New life, new people, new things. Again I forgot that I wanted to be an entrepreneur. So in my life now, I have forgotten multiple times that I wanted to be an entrepreneur. Finally I landed up right now, it's impossible to forget that I want to be an entrepreneur, but I have forgotten multiple times. So engineering first year, first month, second month went away. I'm in my life, everyone is in their life, going with the flow. Then one day what happened, no, I wanted to read a novel. Okay, I wanted to read a novel, and I was like, I don't wanted to buy it, because as I said, my shoes wala business was banned. Again, back to this 3,000 to 4,000 month wala person. So I can't afford that novel. Okay, I wanted to take it from someone. Maybe I wanted to borrow it from someone. He did not wanted to give me. He said that you give me 15 rupees, I will give it to you for one day. I said, okay, 15 rupees for one day. That book was around 800 to 900 rupees, and I was sure that I can complete that book in like 1 week. I said, I am making good money. And there were we can leave this thing startup. There where I started my first startup known as Bookers. And this was my first startup that I started in my BTech first year, mid of first year. This was a startup that was Odisha's first book rental service, where we provided books on rent. And we had around 30 plus booksellers, and one among them was this AK Mishra agency. They were onboarded, Padmalaya, everyone was onboarded with us, and we started giving books on rent. Again, there was a problem when I realized. So as I said, I knew technology. Now I had a knowledge of doing something, but I did not know how to run a business. I did not know how to build a product. I did not know what is an MVP. As you said, no, you have this session of building an MVP, right? So MVP is a minimal viable product. What minimal viable product is? Something which using which you can run your business. But what I wanted was build Google on a single day. I created an application that will run through your voice. You don't need to touch. It took me to build 1 year. That was Google Action. We built that application in 1 year, but again, it was a setback. For 1 year, we had zero idea on what is an investment is, what are investor. It was our own pocket money and our own value of time being devoted to it. We built Bookers. I guess we launched it in the month of March 2018. I guess we launched this product, and yeah, this was live. So we ran it for more than 2 years. We had at least 200 plus active users with an MAU as in monthly active users. So we had around monthly active users to 80 to 90 a month, and on an average for the 2 years we made a revenue of around 7 to 8 lakhs. Least we did that revenue. Profit was very less in this. After 2 years I got an offer to sell this, as in there was an acquisition. They wanted to acquire us, but we were like kharid lo. Because till that time, no, I had realized that I have built a very wrong product. Because you tell me you want to book anyone here, you want to book a book, or you want to imagine you want to buy something as in biryani. Will you give you 5 minutes or will you give you 15 minutes? With our application you have to say, hey, open a biryani, show me the rate, book it, lot of process. And the problem was I did not know how to build a product. And now if you say me, now if you come and ask me that, Siddharth, how we need to build a product, I can give you multiple ways. I'll think around 100 of different angles before building something. At that time I didn't. I built something which nobody will use. Again, Odisha, where nobody reads. And book rental services. Why will someone rent book here? Nobody will rent book. I was literally making a great loss in this. But finally I got an offer from Clarify.com and I took an exit. We were 3 co-founders. We were doing the coding also, we were doing the marketing. I was standing behind Fitji selling leaflets that buy, use this. I was standing behind Infosys, buy this. I was delivering the book also. I was doing everything. So I was the CEO co-founder, I was the operation, I was the delivery manager, I was doing everything. So 3 of us, because we can't pay anyone. Then what happened? That went away. Bookers got sold. In my end of second year, we sold Bookers. Then I guess I have not added that company here. It's my last company, but in between them, there is a Farji company, okay, which I can't show, but I'll tell you. That was Nausicaa.com. We never registered that company, but I'll tell you, we have made around 12 to 15 lakhs from that company. That was not registered, has never given a tax. That company, what they did was, we used to do merchandise printing. Merchandise printing is, Bewakoof, right? What you do in Bewakoof is you go to Bewakoof and you directly buy as in cloth. But there are college fest. There are a lot of college fest where you manufacture shirt, as in common shirt, which everyone wears, right? What we did was we used to manufacture those shirts, but not on our name. We had zero asset. Asset as in we did not have a printing machine, neither we had an employee. We had zero thing. What we had is a website. What we did was, we had around 10 to 15 as in sub vendors who used to print for us. They used to print, we used to take our cut, deal is done. We did that thing, and that, I guess I ran it. I was very happy with that, because I'll tell you again, this was a point where I forgot that why I want to be an entrepreneur. Because every time an entrepreneur should look for solving a problem. This was never a problem. T-shirt, these are there is a difference of understanding what is a small business is, what is a startup is. A small business is never scalable. A startup is scalable. So that was the time I forgot, because I was making good money and I was in my BTech second year, fun, going around, people, friends. We were in on our flow that ab zindagi mein kuch to acha ho gaya, kuch nahi ho to t-shirt bechenge hum. We are like, okay, fine, we will be doing. But happy realization came when COVID hit us. So I'll tell you, COVID is in everyone's life, everyone says that COVID is a turning point. My life, COVID is a hell lot of turning point. I guess I started and AIC started with COVID. So what happened when COVID started, obviously college got shut, there was no fest happening, there was no demand for the t-shirt. I even had some t-shirt for Geeta, I made for Geeta. I never delivered it also, it's still in my house. So again, Nausicaa was also down. But the problem with Nausicaa was never registered. So not an issue. Then it was time for Netflix, because obviously Netflix as in COVID time, college to band ho gaya tha, college to padhna nahi hai. What to do next? It's like again there was a mindset that kuch nahi hua to will sit in placement. When I was someone who in my first year of BTech said that I will never sit in my placement, and God forbid I never sat. मैंने placement नहीं बैठा. I was very happy for that. But there was a time when I thought it's like end of starting of third year, and I was like कुछ नहीं तो placement कर लेंगे. देखते हैं, we'll figure out something at that time. Then COVID started. There was one night. What happened? No, obviously I was watching Netflix only. I was binge watching every time. I was like, that's why in my intro now I always say that my expertise is OTT. Now I assist some of the OTT customers as in building their platforms, but my expertise is OTT. I can tell you where in OTT Netflix what is there. I have watched Netflix like this. So one night I was just sleeping, and one of my, he is not a co-founder, but he's my mentor, one of my big mentor. He called me and said, what are you doing? What are you doing? I was like, watching Netflix. So like, are you an entrepreneur? I'm like, I assume I'm an entrepreneur. So what are you doing? I'm like, entrepreneur watching Netflix, how is it relatable? See, he said that COVID, if you have observed, the major fundraising happened was during COVID. Like you won't believe, there were multiple companies formed in COVID. Everyone sitting in home has formed a company and they have raised fund. So he was like, we need to solve problem. And I'll tell you, at that time, no, I guess, okay, this was my second, okay, I'll tell you on home platforms. So at that time, ventilator was a crisis. Everyone had this problem that ventilator was a big crisis in India at that time. And I was into hackathons, as I said, no, I was into a lot of hackathons. That was a part of my life going around where I was actively participating in hackathons. So what happened when this started, the COVID started, ventilator crisis, and in all of the hackathons, no, they had a single problem statement: build a ventilator. What we did was, we never built a ventilator. We introduced a concept for ventilator that was known as chamber-based ventilation. And like, I will be proud to say that, so we were the first in India who brought this concept of chamber-based ventilation. So we were a group of 7 engineers who built this concept. I'll be showing you some pictures. And at that time also, there was no such idea of forming a company. Then the breakthrough came with AIC. So AIC had their this hackathon, like there was a pitching competition known as Chunauti was STPS. What was that? Vichar 1.0. Vichar 1.0 was a business competition. Okay, I'll tell you why I joined there. Like obviously I can say now. So Vichar had a prize money of 10,000. We wanted to buy a 3D printer. Right now we have more than 5+ 3D printer with FabLab. But during that time we wanted to buy a 3D printer because 3D printing was something we needed badly. And I was like, yaar, Vichar chalte. We had zero idea that AIC is an incubation center, nothing. So as I said, I was actively participating in hackathon. I thought business competition hai, itna zindagi mein business kiye, kuch na kuch to bol denge. So we joined Vichar with one of my product known as Trahi. That was a woman safety pendant. We joined Vichar and we did not win it. हम जीते ही नहीं थे, but we were in top 5. And somehow from magic we got this offer of incubation. That time AIC, and I guess we are the early stage that incubatees, right? So we got this offer of incubation at AIC, and we joined with Trahi. Trahi was one of our product. We joined with Trahi, but we have till now we haven't built Trahi. That was an idea. That is still an idea. Meanwhile, this process, no, AIC pushed us to build a company. They said that you need to have a company to be an incubator. We were like, फिर से company, अब और company नहीं होगा. मतलब I was at such a saturation, no, तब मेरे को लग रहा था कि मेरे को भी research करना है शायद. मतलब I was so much confused with my, मतलब अभी you ask me, no, I have a clear priority, what I need to do after 1 year. But at that stage I was so much confused, ना करना क्या है. So I was like कि company बनाना है, फिर company. When it comes to company, it comes to directors. When it comes to directors, it again come to DIN. Again वो पुराने जो what do they say, पुराने मुर्दे उखाड़ना वाला thing. मतलब बहुत सारी पुरानी चीज़ें आएंगी. Again the same thing. But somehow we made a company. अब company बनाना है, क्या company बनाना है, वो भी एक चीज़ था. और तब में हम लोग क्या करते थे ना, वी हैड अ ग्रुप जो फ्रीलांसिंग करते. तो एनीवन हु इज़ अवेयर ऑफ फ्रीलांसिंग, सो एनीवन, मतलब यहाँ पे अगर कोई एक्टिवली फ्रीलांसिंग करता है तो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग दैट फ्रीलांसिंग में हम लोग कस्टमर को असिस्ट करते हैं. एज इन कस्टमर्स होते हैं, उनको कुछ काम करवाना होता है एंड वी डू दैट. तो हमारा एक छोटा सा मतलब फर्जी कंपनी था जिसको हम ओम नहीं, उसको हम बोलते थे स्मार्ट सोल्यूशन. आई रिमेंबर, स्मार्ट सोल्यूशन बोलते थे. उसमें हम ना ये फ्रीलांसिंग करते थे कस्टमर्स के लिए, मोस्टली यूएस कस्टमर्स के लिए. हम सोचे कि यार स्मार्ट सोल्यूशन अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है, तब ना माई CEO करेंटली हु इज़ आवर CEO साई संबित, वो बोला कि यार हम तो प्रोडक्ट बनाएंगे, MCA एक पोर्टल होता है जहाँ पे ना सर्च करते हैं यार वो नेम अवेलेबल या नहीं है, हमने ओम डाल दिया। लिटरली हमने सोचा नहीं था, हम जो प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं ना, इफ यू सी ऑल ऑफ आवर प्रोडक्ट, आपको पता चलेगा ना हम बहुत माइथोलॉजिकल वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं फॉर आवर प्रोडक्ट। स्वश्नीर, त्राही, गुंजन, ऐसा नाम यूज़ करते हैं। तो ओम दे देते हैं, अगर मिला मिला, नहीं मिला। एंड मतलब मेरे को अभी तक बिलीव नहीं होता कि इंडिया में अभी तक किसी ने ओम नाम से कैसे रजिस्टर नहीं किया है, बिकॉज वी फॉलो माइथोलॉजी लाइक हेल, एंड हमने ओम के नाम पे रजिस्टर नहीं किया था, वी गॉट ओम। हम ओम टेक्नोलॉजीज ट्राई कर रहे थे, बट वी गॉट विथ ओम प्लेटफॉर्म्स। एंड ये मेरा अभी का फाइनल कंपनी है जहाँ पे मैं सेटल डाउन हुआ हूँ, एंड वी आर रनिंग इट लाइक मोर देन 1.5 years राइट नाउ विथ 2 verticals. सो 1 vertical इज ओम टेक्नोलॉजीज जो कंसल्टेंसी देता है, दैट इज अराउंड 32 employees राइट नाउ रनिंग, एंड दिस इज ओम प्लेटफॉर्म्स जो मेरा कोर इंजीनियरिंग टीम है हु वर्क्स ओनली ऑन प्रोडक्ट, एंड टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक वर्किंग ऑन स्वश्नीर। आई विल शो यू, om.in ओपन कर सकते हैं क्या थोड़ा? Okay, and before, मतलब obviously we are coming towards the end, so vision is very simple यार। मतलब I'll tell you, जैसे मैंने बोला था, जो मैंने बचपन में सोचा था to build best product, obviously in this entire journey of realizing that I want to do this, बहुत बार मैंने गलती की है, बहुत बार I have left doing this, but vision stays the same, that I want to build the best product catering to a mass। catering to a mass मतलब बड़ा problem solve कर रहा है। I am least bothered about money, मैं least bothered मैं बोल दे रहा हूँ, at end of the day I am worried about money, but it's more of like I want to solve problem, और अच्छा problem solve कर रहा हूँगा। and okay, this is what I was talking. So we were the first one to invent bubble helmet. bubble helmet पूरा AIC में बना है, as in उसके 3D prints, parts, everything. This was the one जब हमने initially इंडिया का पहला बबल हेलमेट बनाया था विद चैम्बर बेस्ड वेंटिलेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट। ये पेटेंटेड प्रोडक्ट है, एंड हमने इसको शिकागो यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ बनाया था ये वाला चीज़। इस वाले प्रोडक्ट को हम कमर्शलाइज करके ये बनाया है, विच इज़ आवर रिसेंट एडवांस फॉर्म ऑफ पीपी, जिसको हम स्वश्नीर पीपी बोलते हैं। दैट्स AIC's इनाग्रेशन डे, जहाँ पे इट्स मी एज मैनिक्विन, एंड हाँ, दीज आर सम ऑफ द पिक्चर्स। नाउ दैट्स इट, मतलब और कुछ नहीं है जर्नी में मेरा, इतना ही है। अभी आगे और एक्साइटिंग है, एज आई सेड इंजीनियरिंग खत्म हुआ है, टेंशन खत्म हुआ है, सो लेट्स सी आगे क्या होगा। बट आई विल शो यू द प्रोडक्ट वंस। om.in, यू कैन हैव द वेबसाइट नो एक बार। om.in, om.in, AWM.in। Okay, so this is our company ओम। इतना आता है हमारे बारे में, ठीक है, किसी भी पेज पे प्रोडक्ट्स। सो मतलब यू कैन विजिट आवर वेबसाइट। अगर एनीवन इंटरेस्टेड एज कैरियर्स, ड्रॉप योर रेज्यूमे। अगर इफ़ यू फिट अस, हमारे कोई भी प्रोफाइल को जो भी अवेलेबल होगा, तो विल ऑब्वियसली रीच यू आउट। दिस इज़ वॉट आवर प्रोडक्ट इज़। खरीदना है वो भी खरीद सकते हो, ऑब्वियसली आई विल डू दैट। अगर किसी को बहुत सेफ रहना है, प्लीज़ बाय द प्रोडक्ट। and our research, that has the detailed thing. So this is how the product look like. It's a next gen PP that comes with a ventilation system, a power bank, and an 8 hours battery backup. So this, we can proudly say that it's most advanced form. Pilot launches हुए हैं, customers using it, reviews positive, negative, but हाँ, this time I know that अब ये मेरे लिए ना setback नहीं होने वाला है। I am damn sure that whatever I do, whether it's fail, it does not fail, I will be an entrepreneur, because अब I know what problem I'm solving and I want to solve it. I want to solve it like, I want to solve it more for more people. And yeah, that's it from Siddharth Shubhankar. कुछ queries or anything, कहीं पे भी you can reach me on LinkedIn, सबसे ज़्यादा मैं वहीं पे active हूँ। We can discuss, and obviously carriers, anyone if interested, कोई problem नहीं है। Thank you all, thank you all.